Welcome to How to Calibrate your Oakton pH tester. Before you begin, condition your pH tester electrode by immersing it in electrode storage solution, pH 4 buffer, or tap water for at least 30 minutes before use. Do not use deionized water. Before calibrating, rinse your pH electrode. Press the on-off button to switch the unit on, and then place the electrode in pH 7 buffer solution. Press the Cal key to enter the calibration mode. The Cal indicator should be shown. The upper display will show the measured reading based on the last calibration, while the lower display will indicate the pH standard buffer solution. Wait for the reading to stabilize, then press the Hold Enter button to confirm the first calibration point. If you are doing a single point calibration, press the Cal key at this point to exit calibration mode. If you're doing a multi-point calibration, the lower display will now switch between 4 and 10, the other calibration buffers. Rinse the electrode, then place in pH 4 buffer solution. Wait for the reading to stabilize, then press the Hold Enter key to confirm the second calibration point. Press the Hold Enter key, then rinse the electrode and place in the final 10 calibration buffer solution. Again, wait for the reading to stabilize, then press the Hold Enter key. Press the Hold Enter key to confirm the final calibration point. The tester will then return to measurement mode. At this point, you can rinse the tester and confirm the calibration by placing in any of the pH buffers or take a reading of your sample. And that is how you calibrate your Oakton pH tester.